If you want to customize your website and give it a fresh look, this quick guide will show you how to edit a WordPress template. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, click Appearance and then choose Editor. This section controls the design and layout of your site. Inside the editor, open Templates. Here you'll see different layouts like home pages, blog posts, and landing pages. Pick the one you want to customize. Click the three dots and select Edit. Now you can adjust the layout, change colors, update fonts, or rearrange elements to match your brand. Make sure to save your changes as you go. Finally, visit your live site to preview the results. If something looks off, just head back to the editor and tweak it until it's perfect. That's it. A simple way to edit your WordPress templates in 2025. Subscribe for more quick website tips.